All right, let's see. Day 2. We're gonna do what we were avoiding from yesterday. We're gonna do axles, and I guess this is the differential input flanges.
Yep.
All right.
Step 1, remove old axles. No idea if that'll be hard or not. This is gonna be fun. All right.
All right. What else we need?
1 out of 16 done. Interesting. What exactly is this jack doing? What the f?
It's there for when I get in the car.
That's weird. Why is it doing that? Make it a little easier to get in. Alright, just slide this thing in.
All right.
Is that easy? Oh, that was easy.
Done. All right. Cross that off the list.
Man, this thing's got rusty.
Just slip her in, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, what? Is it not reach?
No, that's gonna be a tight fit.
Oh, yeah. Precision fit.
Oh, actually, not too bad.
All right. Very nice.
Actually, a lot easier than I thought.
You're not done yet.
Not done.
Been on the move like the leash is up. And I can't even name one person that's keeping up.
Okay.
I was in the past tense.
Is there one side that's longer than another?
So, axles. Done. And diff input flanges.
Wrong one.
Oh, done. Done. Let's drain the old gas.
I would just try to hold on to the plug. I'm going the wrong way. Oh, that tight? Look at that one.
Fucking long as this bolt. Oh yeah, I'm actually dead.
That oil it cleaned for gas. Remember that bolt that fell off?
All right, next up, tension rod nuts.
It's just another gas.
I think it's
The tension rod nut fell off when I was trailing the car.
right.
So we're trying to put the nut back on,
Okay.
pin washer,
Okay.
but it's a pain in the ass.
What's the pain in the ass part?
Getting the bushing to go through the frame while there's tension on the tension rod. Okay. Up on, go back, lower again. There you go. See, it almost feels like that needs to go through there.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Was that really all it was?
I think so.
No, there you go. Come on. Right, there we go. We're out.
All right.
Alright, drop. Oh, yeah, baby Jesus. You got it. Should I put some Loctite on this?
Sure.
I don't know, man. I mean, it feels tight. Let me see.
Tension rod nuts. Crossing that off. All right, Mike. So let's see. We're at where is it? We're at this point in the to-do list, and we're at a little bit of a disagreement. Now, Mike, tell them why you don't want to do it.
I do not want. I was hoping to get around from drilling 4 holes in the hatch and making like customizing the brackets, but there doesn't look any way. And the way you do it is you drill 4 holes into the actual paint, and rivet it in. And to me, then there's no going back. So right now, that's not worth it to me.
And I don't like it because you see this beautiful line of the curve right here? It fucks that whole thing up. Puts a thing right there, and
I like it, but it's on indefinite hiatus right now.
it's not my car, but you know what? I can respect it. Skillard stuff was awesome for the rest of it, but anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and cross that off the list. Let's
That's
see
how you
here.
get things done. You decide not to do it.
Exactly. So rear diffuser. Now what we're up to is hood vents. Now this, on the other hand, so this is the Datsun stuff. Here's the other stuff. Not exactly like we have the factory engine in there anyway. So let's go ahead and pop one of these on there and see what this looks like.
Oh, it doesn't pop on fully yet.
Well.
You drill 2 holes.
Oh God.
Well, that's easy. Or you just snip these off.
All right, lay that hood down. I don't know.
Yeah.
Kind of like the factory ones better. What do you think?
Kind of like the factory ones.
Yeah, me too.
So maybe. So we're just looking for things to tie more black in since I'm going to black wheels.
Well, maybe we'll do the rest of the black stuff and then come back to that.
Yeah.
All right. But in the meantime, I'm gonna cross that off. Just about to do something. Actually, we'll do this. We'll do hood vents. Oh, we did hood vents
Oh, yeah.
question mark.
All right, keep
So we'll
it
leave
question
that. Okay. So should
If
we?
anything, I would say I just maybe snip these, and then I could just swap them in and out every day.
Yeah. So one cars and coffee. You have
Yeah.
normal. The next you have the others.
Yeah,
and the
and
next
then
you switch them around.
I do half and
Half and half. Okay.
Yeah. So I'd say we'll do that.
Okay. Cool.
All right. So
All right.
do like a dashed line.
Hood vents, ellipses, more question marks.
Maybe
Okay.
another day.
All right.
No decision made.
Notice it. TBD. TBD.
Also,
Let's go and get these tires on, huh? Or you want to wait?
we want to try to start the car.
We need to install new gas.
Well, your gas station's 4 minutes away.
You want to try and install new gas?
Yeah.
All right. Install new gas.
Invalid.
Spend all your money on your Skillard parts. We should have a Skillard sponsorship after this. You hear that, Skillard? At least subscribe to my channel. That's absolutely true. I still wouldn't mind if you at least like, share, and subscribe. Telling you you're broke? Really?
This transaction canceled. What are you doing?
Oh, you want me to do that one? I got you.
Thanks. Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
all right.
We're
Alright, there we go. Let me know when you want to hit. Alright, there we go. Install new gas. Done.
battery.
Battery, alright. Did we add that? Oh, install battery. Okay, very good. Special guest in the garage, Mike's mom.
Hey, bong bongers.
That's what they go by.
That is what they go by. Alright, install battery. Since, let's see here. Fuel pressure gauge. I'm not going to do that while I'm here.
We don't know that yet.
Oh, we'll add a question mark.
That's a question mark.
How about air fuel ratio gauge? Question mark?
Question mark.
Alright,
If we're gonna do one, we're gonna do both.
okay. Alright, so I think we're at the point of first crank.
The air temperature outside is 78.
Just still. Don't forget to put this in service position. This is important. Alright, we're at 45.
That sound good.
Are you in gear? Alright, let's give us a spark, huh? Alright, so we're doing oil change right now. How are we looking, Mike?
Good. I had a loose fuel line. I tightened it.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oil change done.
That's it. Yeah.
Alright, so we did this, question mark, this, maybe decals. Decals.
Without acting alone, have me control, have me control. You without have no soul.
Alright, so that was a lot more tedious than I thought it was. Here you go. Passenger side. Oop. The driver's side.
Put an oil plug in.
Oil plug's good. Door decals. Crossed off the list. Okay, so tomorrow we should get the new lug nuts. We'll install the new tires. Get the license plate in. And we should be ready for pretty much the test drive.